Hello, students! Welcome to class.
Be fucking vegan.
Be like Joe
Be fucking
Bartolozzi.
vegan.
Tap into your empathy.
Be fucking vegan.
Come on and sing the song.
Be fucking vegan.
And Google watch
Be
thatvegan.com.
fucking vegan.
We're in Canada. In Canada, in the province of Quebec, is an island called Montreal. On the island of Montreal is a suburb called Kirkland. Today, we're looking at the library because apparently there is an art exhibit, and we're going to see what's vegan there and what isn't. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Alright, so this is the library, and here is the art exhibit. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, what's this? Some sort of mission statement by Kirkland Administration or City Hall. Continuously improve the quality of life of our citizens by providing effective and fiscally responsible services in an inclusive, healthy, safe, and sustainable community. Well, that sounds good, doesn't it? That's the mission of the officials. Okay. Well, there seem to be a variety of different types of art here, ranging from sort of different patterns here to body parts. That looks like a dog. Sort of flowers, scenery, abstract, some sort of sea life. Oh, and food. Here's the food. We got pizza. That looks vegan. Doesn't have any meat on it or cheese. This is vegan. Watermelon's vegan. That part is good. What is it? No. Cheese stolen from a cow is not good. If that were vegan, they would definitely let us know. And these kind of cookies I know are not vegan. That's milk chocolate there, and that is made with butter. Also, these little mini Oreos, they are most likely vegan. They are Oreo brand, so that's good. What else do we have here? No, these cookies are not vegan. Oh no. Well, this isn't starting off very good, and we are literally in a library full of information, so the people here in Kirkland should know better. They should know that this comes from a cycle of violence. In order to make cheese, a bull is masturbated. His sperm is stolen. A female cow is pinned down. She is forced to be pregnant against her will with that sperm. That is sexual assault and rape. After the baby is born, if he is a boy, he will be considered to be useless because he will never be able to produce milk. These innocent baby boy cows are no different than any puppies. What an incredible disappointment that the city of Kirkland has this product under their roof. Shame on them. Grapes are vegan, red and green. Pickles are vegan. They're made from cucumbers. What else have we got here? Chips, most likely not vegan. Most brands of chips, for some reason, have a little bit of milk in them, which is completely unnecessary. So do these crackers, and they might also have eggs. What I'm wondering is why would they bother to serve this kind of stuff? Pepsi? Where is the water? There should be a water jug here, and why are these dishes not reusable? Are people too lazy to wash the dishes here? Why do they have throwaway, one-time use, disposable things here when they're talking about sustainability in their mission statement? Look at that. Look at that. Cow's milk. Cream. Stolen cow's milk. We've just gone over this. This is a product of violence. This is stolen from an innocent mother. It was meant for her baby. How despicable. Through the doors, and under the roof of every public library, and every school, and every hospital, and every public institution should be only vegan foods allowed. And this is long overdue. Having milk and cheese here goes against their own policies. What a shame. Imagine having a place of art and then bringing inside stolen body parts. No, this isn't the place for me. Shame on them with their mission statement here. Not improving the lives of anyone, not the citizens, not the planet, not the animals. And there's nothing inclusive about having no vegan milk here, nor is it sustainable. Shame on you, elected officials and employees of the town of Kirkland. When you have your meetings, remember your own mission statement. No dead animals, no stolen body parts, no milk, no dairy, no eggs, no meat, no leather. If you enjoy seeing me going to these places, please like, subscribe, press the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. I will be continuing to go to schools, hospitals, churches, and any public buildings. Thank you to any vegans who are fighting for the rights of the innocent. We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them, and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.